Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Giant Remote is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your smart home setup, offering unparalleled control over your entertainment system and beyond, making it an essential gadget for anyone looking to streamline their digital life and enhance their home automation experience with a single, intuitive device that simplifies complex operations. Number 5. Philips Universal Remote Control SRP 9232D27. Effortlessly manage up to 3 of your audio and video devices. This includes TVs, Blu-ray players, soundbars, and more, all from one place. It works with thousands of devices from all major brands. You can easily control your audio and video equipment with its extensive code library. Get started right away as it's pre-programmed for Samsung TVs and Roku streaming boxes. Enjoy immediate control without complicated setup. Setting it up is a breeze. Just add batteries and use the automatic code search or direct entry to get it working in minutes. Its classic black finish complements any room, while the compact, ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for easy handling. You can adjust the volume regardless of which device you're using. This primary audio control adds convenience to your entertainment experience. What we like. This universal remote offers multi-device control, simplifying your entertainment setup. It boasts an extensive code library for broad compatibility. If you're looking for a straightforward way to manage up to 3 devices, especially Samsung TVs and Roku players, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Giant Remote is a game-changer for managing your smart home devices. Its intuitive interface and seamless integration with various platforms make controlling your lights, thermostat, and entertainment system effortless. The customizable buttons allow you to set up shortcuts for your most used functions, saving you time and hassle. Number 4. Voice Magic Remote for LG Smart TV. Introducing the Voice Magic Remote, the perfect replacement for your LG Smart TV remote. Enjoy seamless control and advanced features designed to enhance your viewing. Navigate your favorite shows and apps with ease using the built-in voice control. Simply speak your command and let it do the work. This remote is compatible with a wide range of LG Smart TV models, including OLED, ThinQ, and WebOS series. It's designed to work with specific model numbers for a perfect fit. Pairing is quick and easy. Just insert new batteries, turn on your TV, and follow the simple on-screen instructions to connect your remote in seconds. Experience stable performance with precise control up to 40 feet away. It responds to your commands in less than 0.1 seconds, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted experience. Your purchase includes one Voice Magic remote control and an instruction manual. Batteries are not included. We also offer 100 days of after-sales service for your peace of mind. What we like. Experience intuitive control with this voice-enabled remote featuring a pointer. It's designed for seamless interaction with compatible LG Smart TVs. If you own an LG Smart TV and desire a more advanced, hands-free experience, this remote is the perfect upgrade. What people say. The Giant Remote has a very responsive and smooth ride, making it easy to navigate trails. Its powerful motor provides excellent assistance, especially on climbs, allowing riders to tackle steeper gradients with confidence. The integrated battery system offers a clean look and good range for extended adventures. Number 3. StartX Remote Starter Kit for Ram Trucks. Add remote start to your truck without breaking the bank. Enjoy a comfortable cabin, preheated or cooled, before you even step inside. This kit is specifically designed for Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 pickup trucks from 2018 to 2023 with a tip-start key ignition. It's also compatible with classic models. Get started quickly with our plug-and-play installation. The included T-harness means no wire cutting or splicing, and we provide clear video instructions. Start your engine by simply pressing the lock button 3 times on your existing key fob. Press it 3 times again to turn it off. The range is the same as your factory remote's lock-unlock function. For your safety, the vehicle will shut down when a door is opened. You'll need to restart it before you can drive away. Want to start your truck from even further away? Consider our optional range extender kit, sold separately, to increase your remote start distance up to half a mile. What we like. This kit allows you to easily add remote start to your Ram truck. Its plug-and-play installation means no complex wiring. If you have a compatible Ram truck and want the convenience of starting your vehicle remotely using your existing key fob, this is an excellent DIY solution. What people say. The Giant remote is a great bike for beginners and experienced riders alike. It has a comfortable ride and is easy to handle. The bike is well built and durable. Number 2. StartX Remote Starter Kit for Toyota RAV4. Want to add remote start to your Toyota RAV4? This kit allows you to do just that, saving you money compared to professional installation. Imagine stepping into a perfectly preheated or cooled car. This feature lets you defrost your windshield in winter or cool down your car in summer before you even get in. This kit is specifically designed for Toyota RAV4 models from 2013 to 2018 that use a key ignition. Please ensure your vehicle has a key ignition and an automatic transmission. You can start your car by simply pressing the lock button on your factory remote 3 times. Press it 3 times again to turn off the engine. The range is the same as your existing remote's lock-unlock function. Installation is a breeze with our plug-and-play design. It uses a vehicle-specific T-harness, meaning no wire cutting or splicing is required. We also provide installation videos and support. For your safety, the vehicle will automatically shut down when a door is opened. You will need to restart it before you can begin driving. What we like. Upgrade your Toyota RAV4 with this simple remote start kit. It's designed for a hassle-free, plug-and-play installation. If you own a compatible RAV4 and desire the comfort of preheating or cooling your car before you get in, this kit is ideal. What people say. The Giant remote is a great bike for beginners. It has a good suspension system that makes for a smooth ride. The bike is also very lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. Number 1. 2-pack replacement remote for Roku Express, Premiere, Box, Player, 1-4. Introducing a convenient 2-pack of replacement remotes designed for various Roku models. These are perfect for your Roku Express, Premiere, Player, and models 1-4. Please note that these remotes are not compatible with Roku sticks or Roku TVs. They also lack volume control, a power button, headphone jack, pairing button, and voice search functionality. If your original remote has a pairing button or a headphone jack, this replacement will not work for you. Ensure your original remote does not have these features before purchasing. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming services with 4 dedicated shortcut buttons. Easily launch Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Disney Plus with just one press. Get started right away with no complicated programming needed. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to control your Roku device instantly. Each package includes 2 replacement remotes and a user manual. Experience long-distance transmission up to 8 meters with a quick 0.2-second response time. What we like. This is a no-frills replacement remote for specific Roku boxes. It works immediately upon inserting batteries and includes shortcut buttons for popular streaming services. If your original Roku remote is lost or broken and you just need a basic, functional replacement without advanced features, this is a convenient option. What people say. The Giant remote is a fantastic electric mountain bike with a powerful motor and a long-lasting battery, perfect for tackling challenging trails. Its advanced suspension system and durable frame make it a joy to ride on any terrain, providing a smooth and stable experience. The integrated display offers clear and concise information about speed, battery life, and riding mode, enhancing the overall user experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.